Turkey is actively integrating artificial intelligence into its defense strategies. This is driven by the recognition of AI's potential to revolutionize warfare. AI promises to enhance situational awareness and improve decision-making processes. Turkey aims to be at the forefront of this technological shift. The country faces complex security challenges, and AI is seen as a critical tool. Turkey's commitment to defense AI is evident in its increasing investments and research initiatives. The country is particularly interested in unmanned systems and autonomous platforms. These are seen as force multipliers that can enhance operational capabilities. Interoperability in defense AI, particularly with autonomous systems, is not just about technical compatibility. It extends to ensuring that these systems can operate effectively together, sharing data and coordinating actions without unintended consequences. The challenge is amplified in swarming systems where multiple autonomous agents interact in a complex, dynamic environment. Imagine a scenario where a swarm of Turkish drones is deployed alongside allied forces using different AI-powered systems. Without interoperability, these systems might misinterpret each other's actions, leading to confusion or even accidental engagement. This highlights the critical need for standardized protocols, data formats, and communication interfaces that allow diverse AI systems to work together seamlessly. The lack of interoperability can hinder operational effectiveness, limiting the ability to leverage the full potential of AI in joint missions. This is particularly relevant for Turkey, a NATO member that participates in multinational operations. Ensuring that Turkish defense AI systems can integrate with those of its allies is crucial for successful collaborations. Recognizing the criticality of interoperability in AI-driven warfare, Turkey has taken proactive steps. The Swarm Intelligence OTAÐ report delves into the complexities of interoperability in swarm systems. This collaborative effort provides valuable insights and recommendations. It emphasizes standardized protocols and architectures for communication and data exchange. Developing common ontologies is crucial for interoperability. Robust testing and evaluation methodologies are essential. The OTAG report serves as a roadmap for Turkey's interoperable AI-driven defense systems. Turkey, as a NATO member, recognizes the importance of adhering to the alliance's standards for interoperability. These standards provide a framework for ensuring that military systems from different member countries can work together effectively. In the context of defense AI, NATO standards are crucial for enabling seamless collaboration and data sharing between allied forces. NATO is actively developing standards and guidelines for the responsible development and deployment of AI in defense. These standards cover various aspects, including data sharing, communication protocols, and ethical considerations. By aligning its defense AI development with NATO standards, Turkey contributes to the interoperability of allied forces in an increasingly complex and technology-driven battlespace. Adhering to NATO standards not only facilitates interoperability, but also fosters trust and cooperation among member states. It allows for the sharing of knowledge, expertise, and resources in the development and deployment of AI-driven defense technologies. This collaborative approach is essential for addressing the evolving security challenges faced by the alliance. Section 5. Turkey's Defense AI Landscape, Key Players and Agencies. Turkey's pursuit of defense AI is driven by a collaborative ecosystem involving government agencies, research institutions, and private sector companies. The Scientific and Technological Research Council of Turkey, known as TÜBİTAK, plays a pivotal role in fostering research and development in AI and related fields. TÜBİTAK supports various research projects, provides funding, and facilitates collaboration between academia and industry. Another key player is the Turkish Aerospace Industries, or TAI, which focuses on developing and manufacturing aerospace systems, including unmanned aerial vehicles and AI-powered platforms. TAI is at the forefront of integrating AI into Turkey's defense capabilities, leveraging its expertise in aerospace engineering and autonomous systems. The Defense Industries Presidency, or SSB, responsible for coordinating Turkey's defense industry, plays a crucial role in shaping the country's AI strategy. SSB sets the priorities for defense technology development, oversees procurement processes, and fosters collaboration between different stakeholders in the defense AI ecosystem. Section 6. Centralizing AI development, SSB's strategic initiatives. SSB recognizes the importance of a centralized approach to AI development in the defense sector. Initiatives consolidate AI expertise and resources. Dedicated AI centers within key defense organizations serve as hubs for research, development, and testing. These centers bring together experts to collaborate on cutting-edge technologies. SSB promotes a national AI strategy for defense, outlining key objectives and priorities. Centralization avoids duplication, accelerates innovation, and ensures coordinated development. Section 7. Funding the future trends in Turkish defense AI research. Turkey has been steadily increasing its investments in research and development for defense AI. This commitment is reflected in the growing budget allocations for AI-related projects within defense organizations and research institutions. The Turkish government recognizes that sustained investment in R&D is essential for achieving self-reliance in critical technologies like AI. Funding trends indicate a particular focus on areas such as autonomous systems, swarm intelligence, and AI-powered decision support systems. These are seen as key areas where AI can significantly enhance Turkey's defense capabilities. The government is also encouraging private sector participation in defense AI research through grants, partnerships, and technology transfer initiatives. The increasing funding for defense AI research in Turkey is attracting skilled engineers, scientists, and researchers to this rapidly growing field. The government is also investing in educational programs and training initiatives to develop a skilled workforce capable of meeting the demands of this technology-driven sector. Section 8. Innovations in action exploring Turkey's defense AI projects. Turkey's investments in defense AI research are translating into tangible outcomes, with several notable projects underway. One such project focuses on developing AI-powered autonomous swarms of drones for reconnaissance and surveillance missions. These swarms leverage advanced algorithms to coordinate their actions, share information, and adapt to dynamic environments, providing real-time situational awareness to military commanders. Another project involves integrating AI into air defense systems to enhance their effectiveness against evolving threats. AI algorithms are being used to analyze sensor data, identify potential targets, and make rapid decisions, improving the response time and accuracy of air defense systems. Turkey is also developing AI-powered decision support systems that assist military commanders in making informed decisions in complex operational environments. These systems analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, identify patterns, and provide commanders with actionable insights to support their decision-making processes. Section 9. Training the next generation of defense AI specialists. Recognizing that the success of its defense AI endeavors hinges on a skilled workforce, Turkey is investing in training and education initiatives. Universities and research institutions are offering specialized programs in AI, machine learning, and data science tailored to the specific needs of the defense sector. The Turkish military is also establishing dedicated training centers to equip its personnel with the necessary skills to operate and maintain AI-powered systems. These centers provide hands-on training on real-world scenarios, ensuring that military personnel are well prepared to leverage the capabilities of AI in operational settings. Furthermore, Turkey is collaborating with international partners to exchange knowledge and expertise in defense AI. Through joint training programs and workshops, Turkish experts are learning from global leaders in the field, staying abreast of the latest advancements and best practices. Section 10. Turkey's AI vision, implications for defense and beyond. Turkey's pursuit of defense AI is not just about technological advancement, it's about ensuring national security and maintaining a competitive edge in a rapidly changing world. The country envisions a future where AI is an integral part of its defense capabilities, enhancing situational awareness, enabling faster and more informed decision-making, and reducing risks to human soldiers. The implications of Turkey's AI vision extend beyond the defense sector. The technologies and expertise developed for military applications have the potential to spill over into civilian sectors, driving innovation in areas such as robotics, autonomous systems, and data analytics. Turkey's focus on defense AI reflects a broader global trend of nations recognizing the transformative potential of AI in warfare. As AI technology continues to advance, it will undoubtedly play an increasingly significant role in shaping the future of defense and security, and Turkey is positioning itself to be a key player in this evolving landscape.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.